Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how can you easily add money on Cash App. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open the Cash App app and make sure you are logged into your Cash App account, of course. In this screen, tap on this money icon in the bottom left corner right here. You'll be taken to this page. Basically, it's obvious from here. Just tap on the Add Cash button right there. You'll be taken to this screen. You can choose one of these amounts right here, or you can tap on the three dots right here to add a custom amount basically. So tap right there, and I'm just gonna try a random amount. Let's try a small amount for this video. I'm just gonna try $1. And then from here, I'm just gonna tap on add in the bottom of the screen right here. This is basically it. You need to go ahead and fill up your debit card information basically here. Once you tap on link card, you'll be able to add money to your Cash App account from that card. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.